What is Waldorf education? Waldorf education is music. It's painting and drawing and creating. It's working with our hands and minds together. But what makes those things so important to learning? At Waldorf School of New Orleans, we believe that real skills in a digital world mean finding deeper ways of connecting with students. That's why the arts, academics, and hands-on learning are interwoven into our curriculum. Although Waldorf education is 100 years old, its practices are in alignment with cutting-edge research in child development. Science shows that the concepts that are central to our educational model, play and creativity, strongly contribute to the cognitive, physical, social, and emotional development of children. In early childhood, play-based learning allows children to practice decision-making skills, move at their own pace, discover their own areas of interest, and ultimately engage fully in their passions. Our teachers are dedicated to instilling an inner enthusiasm for learning within every child through our teacher-led, child-centered curriculum. This dynamic eliminates the need for standardized testing, academic placement, and rewards to motivate learning. Waldorf education allows motivation to arise from within. Learning to change the world is our motto, but what does that mean? To us, it has a double meaning. It means we give our students an education that imparts the skills to tackle any challenge they encounter. It also means that our philosophy is one that works to make the world a better place, one child at a time. Lofty ambitions? Maybe. But once you meet our students, you'll see why we have full confidence in them and in our approach that helps to shape children into the thoughtful, conscientious, and unique people they are.